AI in Business Risk Management. Beginner Level Introduction. AI in business risk management refers to using artificial intelligence to identify, analyze, and reduce risks that can affect a business. Businesses face many types of risks, such as financial risk, operational risk, market risk, cybersecurity risk, supply chain risk. AI helps businesses become more proactive, data-driven, efficient, resilient. Examples of AI in business risk management include fraud detection systems, demand forecasting, cyber threat detection, supply chain risk monitoring, financial risk analysis. What is AI in business risk management? AI in business risk management is the use of intelligent systems to detect and reduce business risks. In simple words, AI business risk management, using smart systems to protect a business from losses and uncertainty. A beginner-level system includes risk detection, risk analysis, risk prediction, decision-making, risk mitigation. Why AI in business risk management is important. Businesses operate in dynamic environments, competitive markets, uncertain conditions. AI helps by detecting risks early, predicting future problems, reducing financial losses, automating risk responses, improving decision-making. Key features of AI business risk systems. Feature, purpose, risk detection, identify potential threats, risk prediction, forecast future risks, fraud detection, detect suspicious activity, decision support, assist management decisions, automation, respond to risks quickly. Example, business risk data. AI systems analyze data like business data equals revenue is 50,000, expenses 60,000, market trend down, customer demand low, cyber threat true. Simple risk detection example. Revenue is 50,000, expenses is 60,000. If expenses, revenue, print financial risk detected, else print business stable. How AI in business risk management works. Step 1. Collect data. AI collects data from financial records, market trends, customer behavior, system logs, external sources. Example, market_trend equals down, demand equals low. Step 2. Analyze patterns. AI identifies unusual or risky patterns. Example, if market trend equals down, print market risk increasing. Step 3. Predict risks. AI forecasts potential issues. Example, if demand equals low, print revenue may decrease. Step 4. Take action. AI can send alerts, recommend strategies, automate responses. Example, risk equals true. If risk, print, take corrective action. AI in financial risk profit equals -1,000. If profit equals 0, print financial loss detected. AI in market risk trend equals down. If trend equals down, print market risk high. AI in operational risk system failure equals true. If system failure, print operational risk detected. AI in cybersecurity risk threat equals true. If threat, print cyber attack risk. AI in supply chain risk delay equals true. If delay, print supply chain disruption. Full menu-based AI business risk system, Python. Def financial risk. Revenue is input revenue. Expenses is input expenses. If expenses revenue, print financial risk. Else, print financial stable. Def market risk. Trend equals input, market trend up down. If trend equals down, print high market risk. Else, print low market risk. Def cyber risk. Threat is input. Cyber threat, yes or no. If threat equals yes, print cyber risk detected. Else, print system safe. Def supply risk. Delay equals input. Supply delay, yes, no. If delay equals yes, print, supply chain risk. Else, print, supply stable. While true, print. N1, financial risk. Print. 2, market risk. Print. 3, cyber risk. Print. 4, supply chain risk. Print. 5, exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, financial risk. Elif choice equals 2, market risk. Elif choice equals 3, cyber risk. Elif choice equals 4, supply risk. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else, print, invalid option. Concepts learned from AI business risk management. Risk detection, prediction systems, data analysis, decision-making, automation. Real-life analogy. AI in business risk management is like a smart business advisor who monitors company performance, detects problems early, predicts future risks, suggests solutions, protects the business. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding machine learning models, real-time dashboards, financial analytics tools, risk scoring systems, alert systems. Integration with business data. Common mistakes beginners make. Ignoring data quality, oversimplifying risks, not considering external factors, ignoring real-time updates, over-relying on predictions. Where AI business risk systems are used. AI risk systems are used in corporations, startups, banks, e-commerce platforms, supply chain systems. Advanced systems include enterprise risk management platforms, predictive analytics systems, fraud detection engines, cybersecurity AI systems. Simple definition. AI in business risk management. The use of artificial intelligence to identify, analyze, and reduce business risks. Final summary. AI in business risk management is essential for modern businesses. It helps beginners learn risk detection, prediction, automation, decision-making. It plays a major role in protecting businesses and improving long-term success.